Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, October 12th. First off, we'll start out with a surface weather depiction. You can see high pressure is locked in place over the western states. That's what's causing the extreme winds down in the Los Angeles basin and creating the Santa Ana winds. But for us, it means clear skies, a warming trend, and a drying trend as well, with light winds at least for the next couple of days. The snowstorm has continued its eastward track and is now in the Ohio Valley, the one that bugged us earlier this week. So for the first 36 hours or so, we'll just look at temperatures here. Warming trend, temperatures starting to get to near 60 now in the Snake River Plain, and even Stanley getting above 50. The overnight lows, not quite as cold as they've been lately. I don't think we'll set any records tonight, or record cold, as we have the past couple of days. Here you can see there is a cold front starting to make its approach. It's now on shore in Washington and Oregon and sliding through northern California. Ahead of it, of course, is southerly wind, which means we're actually going to continue to warm up. And once again, the precipitation is mostly centered around the low pressure center, which is actually going to track to the northeast. And so if we get anything, it'll be a dry cold front with very little in the way of precipitation. And actually, it's going to warm us up enough prior to it getting here that'll be, aren't really expecting there to be any snow even at high elevations. So as we look here, temperatures, again, continue warm now, well into the 60s for the Snake River Plain, at least the southern end of it, and another 3-degree increase at Stanley. And here's the threat is limited pretty much to the northwest end of Lemhi County, and they're the very north end if you're up near Lost Trail Pass. And then overnight lows, and again, that's just on Sunday night that occurs, and it's just a slight chance. With the cloud cover, very mild overnight lows, even for Stanley, staying above, out of the teens anyway, at 20 degrees forecast. And here is where, again, this dry cold front will be pushing through during the morning hours, as you can see it here. And that does mean colder temperatures on this side, but not by much, at least first here on Monday. And here's probably Monday evening. This is the windiest it gets with this cold front. You can see basically 15 to 25 miles an hour in portions of the Snake River Plain and in the Caribou National Forest area. So otherwise not having a great impact. Overnight lows with it staying a little bit breezy and still some cloud cover, still pretty mild. You can see, though, in the central Idaho mountains it is starting to cool off. The extended forecast, you can pause this to look at it in details, but what we'll just say is partly cloudy, and then by Wednesday night there's a slight chance of rain and snow moving into our northern border area with Montana, and then it looks very good for at least a chance of rain and snow in the central Idaho mountains, slight chance in the highlands on Friday. There's even a chance or a slight chance of snow even in the Snake River Plain and the south central highlands. That's all I have. If you have any additional questions, feel free to call us at this number here or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. If you have any comments or feedback for the content of the briefing, email our webmaster at this email address. Thanks for watching.